Alakazam.
Shut up, Dave.
No, Jim, you don't need to go back to her. She just wants you for your money.
That's kind of cool. Should be dope. Guys, what's going on? Oh god!
Oh man, what's gotten into Dave?
I don't know. He was watching General Hospital. Next thing you know, he turned into Godzilla.
Oh man!
Dave, that hurt!
Dave, calm down!
Dave! You're a jerk! Gotta calm Dave down somehow. Oh. Dave, what the heck?
I think I know what to do.
Dave, calm down!
Oh god! Come on, man! Come on, man! You got this! Get the lotion! You good, Dave? You good?
I'm good, guys. Come on.
Take some stickers, Dave. I know how you like stickers.
Here's your thing.
Oh, thanks, guys.
You good?
You guys are real friends, man. I just don't know what happened. I just wanted to be blessed, man. I just wanted to be blessed.
It's alright, Dave. Just don't want it to happen again.
I like this sticker.
I think he bit me.
Oh god!
Bless you.